Hello, beautiful people. Good morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. It's Winnie here again in another video. And in today's video, we are going to be learning how to make Abeti cap. The same process applies for kids and for adults, just that you need to increase the head circumference, and that is all. I made this for my baby during his birthday, and I also made for my husband, and it was super beautiful. So if this is what you would love to learn, keep on watching, like my videos, share with your family and friends. Right, guys, without too much talking, let's get to the honey of this video. I love you. Hey beauty, welcome to my channel. For this cap, you are going to be needing one single strip of Abeti fabric, the type that you'll be using for your man's cap normally. And then you are going to cut out your head circumference divided by 2 plus 1 inch. You're going to fold it into 2 like so, and mark out your head circumference divided by 2 for plus 1 inch. For me, it was 12 inches, and then I'm going to cut that out, and then I am going to cut 2 of that. So once that is done, I'm going to place it side by side, and then I am going to join it as we always join our gele. So I'm going to join it like that, just straight like that, and then it's going to increase in length now, in width, sorry. It's going to be increasing in width. So the width that I have here is about 13 inches, which is fine for my son. So next, what I did was that I folded it into 2 like that, so that will make the 12 inches, and then I'm going to be cutting it through in the middle, so it will give me 2 separate pieces. All right, so now the next thing I'm going to do is to fold it on the head circumference area. Don't fold it on the other part, fold it where you measure the head circumference area, and then you're going to stitch it down. You're going to do the same thing for the other part of the cap also. I'm going to fold it on the head circumference area and go ahead and stitch it down, and do that for the other part of the cap also. Once that is done, you're going to open it up like so, and then make sure that everything is laying flat. Open the other side also, like you can see me do in this video, like that, and then make sure it's laying down flat. Then the next thing you're going to do is to place a lining. I just made a small piece of fabric. As you can see, it's bigger than the width of the fabric. Then you place a notch on the 2 sides like that, and then you stitch it down. Just place a notch on the 2 sides like that, and then just hold it down with half an inch together. So once that is done, you are going to turn it to the other side, and then you can use your chalk or a curve to just make a curve like that, or you can use your free hand, as you can see me do in this video, and then you're just going to cut it out. So whatever you do to this side, you're also going to do to the other part of the cap. All right, so after that was done, I just went ahead to turn it to the right side, and then I'm going to use my scissors to make the pointed part also come out very well. Then once I'm turning to the right side, see how neat it looks on the outside, and then I'm going to just go ahead and overlock the edges together with the lining like that. And what I did on this part, I'm also going to do on the other part. So by the time you are making your curve, make sure you place the one that you've curved earlier on top of the new one, so that the curve can be the same thing. You don't want to do it separately because the curve may not be the same thing, so you have to place it on top of each other and then cut it out, making sure that the curve is the same. Then you overlock both edges. All right, so once that is done, we are almost done with our cap. So the next thing you're just going to do is just to stitch it down with either the 1 inch or the half inch that you left earlier from the top all the way around, and our cap is ready. then you flip it over to the right side, and this is what it's going to be looking like. And then you can also iron it out very well, making sure that the abeti aja forms very well. So that is basically it. Thank you guys for watching. Till I see you in my next one. I love you and I care. Bye.